So in the previous slide we have discussed that r1 square can be calculated by this and r2 square can be calculated by this formula. Now more simplifying this, r1 square is equal to taking r square common, so it will become a square by r square plus 1 plus 2a by r cos of theta. For the short dipole we can say that 2a is very less than r, so a square by r square can be neglected. So r1 square is equal to r square 1 plus 2a by r cos theta, or r1 can be written as r 1 plus 2a by r cos theta raised to power 1 by 2. Similarly, r2 can be written as r 1 minus 2a by r cos of theta 1 by 2, or 1 by r1 can be written as 1 by r 1 plus 2a by r cos of theta raised to power minus 1 by 2. Why? Because this has been gone to denominator. So when we have to write it upside, it becomes minus 1 by 2. Similarly, 1 by r2 can be written as 1 by r 1 plus 1 minus, here it was minus 2a by r cos of theta raised to power minus 1 by 2. Now expanding these by binomial, 1 by r1 becomes 1 by r 1 plus minus 1 by 2 into 2a by r cos of theta. So 2 से 2 cancel हो गया, we left with 1 by r 1 minus a cos theta by r. Similarly, 1 by r2 is equal to 1 by r 1 plus a cos theta by r. So we have calculated 1 by r1 and 1 by r2. We will put these two values in the expression for v1 and v2 and then we add it. Now putting these values of 1 by r1 and 1 by r2 in the expression, v is equal to q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r2 minus 1 by r1. So putting this q upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 by r2 is 1 by r. So 1 by r 1 plus a by r cos theta, right, and minus 1 by r1 is you can see here 1 by r 1 minus a by r cos. So this is 1 by r 1 minus a by r cos of theta and whole bracket close. Q by 4 pi epsilon naught, r we can take out, so r we have taken out. This becomes 1 plus a by r cos of theta minus 1 minus plus a by r cos of theta. So 1 से 1 cancel out, we are left with q by 4 pi epsilon naught r into 2a by r cos of theta. Now this q into 2a becomes p, dipole moment. So p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square into cos theta. So this is the expression for v, right? So v calculated is p cos theta upon 4 pi epsilon naught. Now this p cos theta can be written as p vector dot r cap, representing the dot product, where r vector is a unit vector along the position OP is equal to r. So we write here v is equal to p vector dot r cap upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square, right? This is the another expression. Now for on the axial line of dipole, that theta becomes either equal to 0 or pi. When theta is 0 or pi, so v is having value plus minus p upon 4 pi epsilon naught r square, right? And at equatorial point, this theta becomes 90 degree, that theta becomes 90 degree, or cos 90 is 0, so v is equal to 0. Hence proved that at equatorial position of a dipole, value of potential is 0. It means we can say the potential value of potential is 0 for a charge, positive charge, it is at infinity, and for the dipole it is at the equatorial point of dipole, right? That's it.